My name is Ashish.
My name is Anisha. So you're asking why we're in the kitchen. So, Mom, we are planning a surprise for Mom.
Yeah.
See, we are gonna make biryani and biryani. So let's start to show the ingredients.
You should do these things only with parents' superstition. We are seeing these things from all 1 year. That's why we are doing. But sometimes we will use our parents' help, like on the gas like that.
Okay.
And this is, you see what is mixed. We mended it before because it has to be for 1 hour. We uses turmeric powder, salt, and
one spoon
turmeric powder.
1 spoon, 1.5 spoon turmeric powder. Well,
1 spoon
mirchi powder and
Salt.
curd.
As you like it.
And you can use what this ingredients you can use how much you want. And lemon juice, kaju,
And some pulses. And garlic paste. And another pulses.
Yeah.
And these are leaves,
Vegetables,
onions, and tomatoes. And this is our basmati rice.
And that is ghee.
And let us just start cooking. Let's go.
Let's go. We should pour 4 spoons of oil. So as you can see, the pan is heated, the oil is in. So we're gonna
Keep the chicken in it.
yes, the
Like
grilled
chicken.
chicken.
Yep.
Oh, that's so scary.
You bet.
Let me see.
So as you can see, we all poured the marinated on. Now we should pour some tomatoes.
Yeah.
Anisha. Some more. I will.
So you do it, but because my little hands I can carry my bad progress.
But bad progress. Don't tell like that.
Aww.
Now we should cook it for 10 minutes and we should put the lid.
Yeah.
Can you remove that, Annie?
Okay.
Yeah. Here we come. And before the 10 minutes over, we should now fry the onions. We should put a little salt on it. I like this.
We pour some oil in it, and the cooking till that comes brownish, so that the flavor can come up.
So as you can see, we've taken out the onions from this and we heated it. We will use it for the curry. Now we will remain it like
Slow.
this. Now we should pour the onions.
Let us in this, right?
Yep.
Slow.
Some slow.
I'm so scared.
Experiment. Do.
You do it
Like that.
like a pro.
Yep.
I'm so scared that I pour it like that. Maybe there's a whole girl in there. Now we'll wait until it will
Then we should
brown.
mix this all pulses and then.
Yeah. Now we are gonna see this is paste that I grinded it. Now we're gonna do it. Guys, there is a tip for you all. If you're not ready to eat it, there is a tip. To be browned, you can add 1 spoon of salt. Of course, we did it. So after
These are brown, we should pour this sandwich paste. There you go, it's cooked. Super
Wow.
delicious, right? Looking super. I think
Guys, listen to me. If this went brownish, you add this and
garlic
this.
paste.
Garlic paste, and these are some pulses. And this is like a flour. This is a very flour. And this is like wooden piece. I don't know. This is clove. And this is all pulses. You're gonna add it when it's brown.
I never realized making biryani is so hard.
Very hard. Mom is very hardworking cooking. I realized mom is why is getting spending. Now I realized it.
Making biryani is actually easy. Yeah, that's why. Okay,
So guys, the onions are brown. So we're gonna add this both three.
No,
onions are brown.
Add it at the last to the curry. So first you can add this Anisha.
Okay.
Pulses all are going. And
Yeah.
ginger garlic paste. I will add it.
First time, no worries.
Let's mix it first.
Yeah, because the taste should be coming rusted off this last. Later. See, my brother is a good boy. I don't know. I thought that I would cook better, but I'm too scared with the heat.
Yeah? You should take risks to do something.
Yeah. This is not easy, bro.
It is added to the curry.
What? Really?
Yeah?
I don't know.
You're really forgetting something.
Bro, I'm just an assistant.
Okay, now let's go.
Bye. Not bye, sorry. I'm just forgetting everything. Forgetto. So we're gonna add this now.
Let's go. No, more.
Oh. Very scared? Hashtag scared. The pan is heating for 1 second. More. My hands are like burning in here.
Sister.
Rather, I'm not old enough. See how much it looks so good.
I don't think so.
Bro, this is very good. Actually,
We are making good progress.
so
Yeah, we should pour 5 cups of water.
5 glasses, bro.
Sorry, I don't remember.
This we're going to pour it into this, and we will wait to boil it, and
We
later
will
we're going to
some rice. Or maybe it will cook by then.
Yeah,
Let's do this. Together. So as you can see, kotimira, pudina, fried onions, and juice. And we soaked it here, our button. And we should pour it into the curry. I told you.
Now let's drop some pudina.
I will help you, sis.
Thank you, bro.
Like
You were being so kind to me.
We are making it together, sis.
Bro.
More. I think I should pour the fried onions.
Of course, you need to. Of course. Later we'll stir it.
And you should pour the lemon juice.
Hey.
Let's mix it. You should be the best.
I don't want to stir it anymore.
As you can see, I'm stirring it.
Make sure that everything is in the right order.
Yep.
Should not be confused with biryani.
If you ruin something, you're gonna be eating at home. So we should cook for 10 minutes. So we should keep the lid, right?
Okay.
Some this side, I guess. You're doing something wrong.
That's it.
As you can see, we're cooking the chicken and the rice is boiling. And we should remove the water. I will show you the process. It's too interesting, but
Guys, I have small hands. So guys, please forgive me. When I'm 5th class, I dare you. I'm making everything without my brother's help. So funny. Smells very good, guys. Smells very good. It's like,
Yep.
Mom's chicken, the same smells like us.
I am a fan of it.
Very. Later we're gonna eat a lot.
Okay. Now we should pour this in. Let's pour it.
Okay. So
So-
guys, we poured it's very cool.
Yeah.
So now for it to set in a place, we're gonna keep the cat. Before we need to stir a little bit to get the right taste.
Yeah.
And
Now let's keep the lid.
oh my God, the lid is stuck there.
Okay, there's
5 minutes. Let's cook it 5 minutes.
As you can see, the rices have boiled and
This curry is cooked only 3 minutes first. It will be cooked soonly, so we're gonna stir it a little bit.
it's only 5 minutes and we will keep the lid again. It will fry again. We will mix it and we will show you by eating the Dum Biryani video at the eating point. Let's go. For doing that, we should show you a little thing. And yep, it's poured. Yep, we will mix it and after we will meet you eating. Let's go. We're doing like this, but we should show you an important thing.
We mix the rice. We keep it sim for some time, and later we're gonna show how we eat it.
We make this with ASHISH'S because we can't make like this.
But because our hearts are burning,
We can't like this. That's why we use someone's help and make it eating point. Really, this time no cutting.
cheating, no
Cutting. For you, this is the biryani. What's your reaction?
Wow, Sonu, super. Thank you, Sonu.
This is the first.
Thank you, Ani.
Thank you, Mommy.
This is the curd paste we made.
Yeah. And this is the old biryani we made.
Let's eat it.
I'm interested.
And Mom, you have this.
So delicious, Sonu. Thank you so much, Anisha. Thank you, Ashish. Thank you.
And then this is the soup we made.
Yeah, the best. The best. Wait, I haven't tried this.
So we will eat by sitting. It's good. Now let's taste it for Oh man.
Do this for dinner. I come in the I made this one.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm telling you should take the help of your parents doing something. And this is the curry we made, and we took the help of our dad by on the stove and pouring some oil. That's it. And we have 2 years of experience. Please try. If you try, please use your parents for this now.
I'll be
Like, share, and subscribe this video. Bye.
Bye.
Now
Let's eat it.
let's do it. Bye.